What's up, everybody? This is Officer Dan. Some of you may know me from some videos that we released on the internet. Some of you may not. Either way, we've partnered up with Magnuson Superchargers for this season to go hit some rad events and do some cool content with. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing of their TVS2300. Got my sweet keys. All right, and there she is, the unit itself. Let me move my chest down in here so you guys can get a look at that thing. Is a thing of beauty in there. That is the charger itself. Comes with fuel rails, all the piping for the cooling, belts already on, injectors from an LS9. Not too shabby at all. Let's get some of this stuff out of here. Man, we got a packed box here today, boys. Alright. Tub to heads. Got some gaskies. The ever important supercharged by Magnuson license plate frame. Shipping list. Everything double checked off. It's all these little touches, man. Magnuson, the instruction book, color pictures. Man, these guys are dialed. Man, that's good. Premium fuel, hot damn. Make sure to follow those instructions. I'm assuming the tank for the charge cooler, quality unit, intake piping, which we're probably going to have to change out to something else since we're not using the factory box, along with this air filter. Some Velcro. Love Velcro. God, I don't know what that's for, but pump that's in there. Wiring kit comes with looms and zip ties and everything. More loomed wiring. These guys are dialed. Don't know what that is, but it looks fancy. Pin kit. I'm assuming this is for the crank pulley. Yep. So you don't spin that around and cause all sorts of issues. Bolts and spacers. More piping. Oh, hey, guys.
Now it's gonna be even harder.
Got belts. The A to Z. Everything you need. Oh, that's just an empty box. This box has fuel pump booster and hardware. Let's check that out. I don't know what I did with my keys, so just kidding. We're gonna leave that for now. Brackets and pulleys and everything labeled, ready to go. There's that air filter, probably not. Bye. Literature kit. All the belt. Damn. They are dialed. They're doing this. Even has a picture of how it's supposed to look when it's assembled. Goodness gracious me. Comes with that top plate cover. Don't know the official name. Valley cover. I guess it's written on there. See? Didn't even need to do that. What's this? Ah, water pump for the cooling system. Next, some hoses. I don't need to show those. You guys knows what hose looks like. And that is going to be the air to water cooler. Yeah, there we go. Ballin'. Good thing I don't have a radiator up there to impede any of the airflow to this thing. All right, so that's everything in these Magnuson Supercharger kits. So this is a complete kit for a LS2 powered GTO. That was the unboxing. Outstanding job packing. It's not going to be damaged when it gets to you unless UPS really plays football with it. Everything, all the little details down to the book that they use for the instructions. So, I mean, this is a complete kit to go into the Pontiac GTO. We're not going to be using all of the parts, of course, since it's going into a custom application. But it's outstanding to know that how much effort and care that they actually put into making these kits. So check out their website at magnusonproducts.com. Link right here. And get one for your car. You can go from mild to wild if you want. If you got a fully built motor, send it. If not, just do what I'm gonna do. Run it at a conservative 600. Chirp some brodies. Anyway, Officer Dan out. Catch you on the flip side. Peace.